Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Welcome to NAATI. I know if you are watching this video, you are just beginning your NAATI journey. You're looking forward how you have to apply a book NAATI CCL exam, what are the steps and what is the procedure. Don't worry, I've got your back. What I'm going to do in this particular video, I'm going to show each and everything what has to be done, what do you need, what are the documents you require, and which all options you need to select while filling the application form, and how you have to submit your application form. Let's get started. I'll share my computer screen and we'll see how step by step from the very beginning, if you're new to NAATI, how you have to fill out the application, what are the options you need to select, and everything you need to take care when you apply for NAATI CCL exam. Let's get started, guys.
Alright, let's start. What you need to do, how you have to book your NAATI CCL test. The very first thing, you open up your browser, any browser you want. You just type NAATI CCL application. That's it. Don't worry about any link. I'll still paste the link in the description box. NAATI CCL application, you go over here. That's it. This is the link you'll get. I'll post this particular link in the description box. Now once you're on here, you just need to go bottom. At the bottom you'll see this tab, apply. Go for apply and then just click on my NAATI over here. Apply and then my NAATI. Now if you have an account on my NAATI already, you don't really need to register. You just need to put your email and password and then sign in. I'll show you how you have to register as well. Click here, put in your email, for example my email. Here I'll confirm the email. You all need to do the same. You need to confirm the email. And now what happens, once you click on register, they'll send you the password on the given email. So let's click register and I'll get the password on my email. They'll send me an email. Over here, if you can see that I already have got an account over here, so I know what my password is. But for you, if you're applying it for the first time, you won't get this screen. You'll just get a message, the password has been sent to your email, please check your email. Now once you get your email, means you have got your email ID and your password, you click here, you put in your email address over here, the same one on which you registered. You have registered, then your password which you have got in the email from NAATI. Now once you sign in, you will get an option to change your password. Just change your password and keep your password, just have a new password. Once you're done with that as well, you'll get this screen. Go to submit an application. After that you have to select CCL, Credential Community Language Testing, because you are applying for CCL test and you want to claim 5 points towards your permanent residency in Australia. So you need to select this particular option. You go here, you'll get an application over here. So you need to put in all your details. It has my details already because probably I'm an interpreter, that's why probably I applied for the test before. So it has got my details. You press on next. You won't have your details, you just need to put in your details, whatever your details are. Click on next. You'll get an option to put your password over here. Now sometimes if you're applying it from overseas, what happens, your computer or the system won't be able to pick up your password. In that case, just uncheck this box and manually type your sorry, not password, your address. Very sorry about that. So your address. Now I am living in Sydney and system is going to pick up my address, so I'll just check this box. I'll put in my address over here, phone number here. Next, out of the three options over here, because if you are claiming, if you want to take the test to claim 5 points towards your residency, you have to select the last option, to obtain credential community language points. Click over here, click next. Now then you have to select the language you're going for. For example, I'm going for Hindi. Sorry about that. Hindi. Alright, Hindi. Next. Once you move on next, you'll be asked your preferred location. Now let's have a location. At the moment the only test location available is online, because due to COVID-19, it's 2020. I don't know when you're going to watch this video. They have moved everything online, so there are no physical tests. All the tests are being conducted online. But if you're watching this video anytime later, you'll have multiple options: Sydney, Brisbane, Melbourne, and so on. So you can select your preferred test locations from the list. I'll just select online for now. Move on to the next thing. Once you are done with the details online, and they'll show you the dates available at your preferred location. Once you can see this, you'll get an idea of what is the date you'll get for the exam. Don't worry, you are not supposed to select any date. It won't let you select any date. It is just giving you an idea. You will only be able to select the date once your application is submitted. Alright, move on to the next. You need to submit an Australian passport size photo. Now over here, over here what you need to do, you need to submit your passport size photo. You just need to have a plain background. You can take it by yourself as well. We do that with students, and it's fine as long as it is clear and you know it's of the appropriate size. You just need to upload it over here. Let's say if I upload it from here, move on next. That's fine. Now please upload required files. Alright, what are the required files? The one attachment is photo and the other one is your passport. So I'll attach my passport over here. Once we are done with that, it will say done and done. I'll move on to the next. Do you follow or do you agree with the terms and conditions? I'll click yes and I'll finish it. I will finish it off. Once I'll finish this off, once I'll finish this thing off, what will happen next? Once I'll finish this thing off, let's see what happens. You'll get this screen: application submitted successfully. Thank you for submitting your application. Now what happens, they will take around 4 to 5 days to process your application, to check your application. Once you are done with that, once they approve your application, you'll have an option, or you will get an option to select your preferred date, and that is the time you will select the date you want to, and then only you'll need to pay for the exam, which is $800. Once you do that, you select your dates and you are done. You are ready to go for the test on the test date which has been allocated to you. That's all. You need to start your preparation now, and all the very best.
Alright, that is how you apply for NAATI CCL exam, guys. Within around 4 to 5 days, you will get a reward that your application has been approved, and now you can select the available test session. Make sure you try to select the test session as soon as possible, because there's a lot of competition out there of dates. Dates are very limited, and there are a lot of candidates who want to go and sit for the exam. Select the slot as soon as possible and make sure you get going with your preparation. NAATI is not something which is very difficult. It's not very easy as well. You shouldn't take it lightly. It is going to give you 5 points towards your permanent residency, and you need to make sure you give 120% to make sure you clear in the very first attempt. Make sure you practice a lot. You have enough practice material, as well as you take a number of mock tests in the similar environment as you will have when you go and sit for the exam. All the very best, guys. Just to let you know, we have got a Telegram group. The link is in the description box. Make sure you join the group. We'll post a lot of material, lots of updates and news in there, and will help you get along with NAATI CCL and clear it in the very first attempt. If you're looking for online coaching or on-campus coaching, we are providing that. Just give us a call or send us a message on the numbers given below, and we will give 100% to help you out and make sure you get your desired score. All the very best, guys. I'll see you very soon, and happy journey.